You're just one step away from mastering the entire Arabic alphabet. Let's finish with the soft H, the graceful W, the elegant Y, and the powerful pause. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Learn Quran. Today we add H-Y-E-A to your alphabet. First H. It is a soft H like the H in hat. I say it, ha. I say it again, ha. I say it once more, ha. Place it at the back of your throat. It is gentle. Next, O. This is a semi-vowel. It looks like a little hook. I say it, wah. I say it again, wah. I say it again, wah. Imagine the sound of a small boat's oar. Then, yai, another semi-vowel, like a Y or a long E. I say it, yeah. I say it again, yeah. I say it once more, yeah. It rolls off the back of your tongue. Finally, O. This is the hamza, a brief pause. I say it, pause. I say it again, pause. I say it once more, pause. It's the catch in O. With these, the 28-letter alphabet is complete. Now let's see these letters in action. Word 1, Hudan, guidance from Surah Al-Qasas. The H is the starting soft H, the Yo is the long U sound, and the E gives the ending A. Word 2, Wajhun, face. The E opens with a W sound, the J is a J, and the H would normally carry a smooth H if present. Word 3, Ya, a call of attention, O. The I gives a Y sound, and the hamza marks a brief pause before you respond. Word 4, Barda, after. The B starts with a B, the A is a throaty A, and the 8 tells you to pause slightly. It's used in many verses. Word 5, Laylan, night. The L is a L, the Y gives a long E sound, and the L again ends the word. Notice how the semi-vowels shape the vowels. These examples show how H, Wo, Yai, and 8 guide pronunciation in the Quran. Let's practice together. I say a phrase, you repeat. 1, I say who, you say ha you. 2, I say way, you say wa. 3, I say yay, you say yay a. 4, I say a, you say pause. 5, I say hua, you say ha u wa. 6, I say ya, you say ya. Great work. Keep repeating until you feel it flow naturally. You just learned H-U-Y-E-A, the final letters that complete the Arabic alphabet. Tomorrow we'll explore how these letters connect into flowing words. Subscribe, practice tonight, and keep your heart open to the beauty of the Quran.